Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Thomas in Pennsylvania on this RCI X9. Thomas, we got you ready to go, bud. Tune and alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, the other mods that you specified as well. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100-watt slug, 4 watts. Roll it all the way up. About 32. Show you average power swing first. Wow, 75 watts average. Now this radio really took advantage of that voltage regulator upgrade. First one we've done. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 155 or so. So we're seeing about the same peak, but the average, let's look at that again. Wow. Definitely a 10 watt or more increase on average power by adding that upgraded voltage regulator. And of course, my trusty superstar mic that I sell on the website, www.truckscbsales.com. Alright, my friend, we're going to get it up to you. Thomas, I appreciate you, bud. Appreciate your patience. A lot to work on, a lot to do. So little time. From your friend Truck at truckscbsales.com. Bob.